I just got this. Check out the packaging. Here it is. Yes. Now we shall unbox it. It does come with a lot of stuff on it. Look, it's even got my name on it. And to get it open, we've got to pull this. Bam, done. And then this, I pop up. I mean, the packaging alone is just amazing on this. It's so impressive. Look at that. It just tells you what to do. Oh, put that over there. Here it is. Whoever did the packaging on this is a genius. Now, I don't know if there's more stuff in here. We'll have to look. But first, let's go ahead and get this squared away. It did give me some instructions. There's the light. And look at that. Oh, my God. They put my name on it. Oh, my God. That's amazing. Charge to activate before first use. Okay. So that's the charging port there. And so somewhere in this box, there's got to be a thing that I put it on. So let's see what we got here. It says, if a streak appears around the laser dot, gently clean the glass with a cloth. All right, so we can take that off. Put that over there. And there it is, man. I don't know if it has a charge on it or not. And so if you look here, it does have, oh, so it does show me, look. This tells me what it is. So when I'm looking at it, you got pure flood, spot, and UV. So pure flood, spot, and UV. And then we just switch this around to do that. And then the center button, I think, is the on button. So right now it's set on the middle one, which is pure flood. All right, so that's pure flood. So I'm looking to see if we have a special, oh, here. I think that is the on button there. And here is, look at this, USB-C. So I think we can charge it with a USB-C or this charging part, or, yeah, I think that's it. But let's see if this has any power. Let's press this. We may have to charge it first. So it does have this thing here. So you can just set it on your thing or on your hat. You could put it on your hat too. You know what I mean? So yeah, let's see if there's, oh, look. So there is a special charging thing inside here. So let's go ahead and get that off of there. So here it is, look. So you got USB-A, and this is the charger. So this is gonna go into your block. It doesn't come with a block. And then this would go here. Look at that. And then we can just go ahead and charge it. So I'm gonna do that. How's that sound? So I gotta plug this in. So as you can see, I need to unplug something. So I'm gonna unplug this one, right? And then we're gonna take this and we're gonna plug this in. All right, I just gotta see how, oh, look at that, see that? See, it's even cool looking. Look at, they matched it. So it's like color coordinated. All right, let's put that in there. All right, so now all we gotta do is just let this charge up. And I don't see a light coming on it anymore, but I'm just gonna leave it here, right? I wonder if I can stand it up. Oh yeah, look, that lights up down there. So you know it's charging. So let's go ahead and set her there, right? Let's set Tom Lehman over there. And we'll come back after it's charged and we'll check it out. What's blinking over here? Bam, it's turned green. That means we're ready to rock. Let's do it. So we're green, that means we're ready to go. Pop it off. And yeah, there it is. Now, the side thing is for the laser. When I press that, you're gonna see a green dot here. You see it? It's shooting a laser out. Right now I've got it on the center. So if I press this, the light comes on. If I press it again, it turns off. If I move this over this way, watch, this light comes on. Press it again, it comes off. And then I can slide it over to the other side here, press it, and I've got ultraviolet. I don't know if you can see that, but I'm going to show you guys everything on there. So watch it go. Just like that. So you got one side, two sides, ultraviolet, and then if I hit this, I get the laser. Laser and ultraviolet. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. And I press this again, turns it off. All right, so that's how that works. All right, so I've come back here in this back room so that you guys can see how it looks. So I'm just going to press the center button. Bam, there's that light. And I've got it set in the middle here. I don't know if you guys can see this. Now I'm going to switch it over to I'm going to push it this way so you can see the difference. So there's this one, right? Now I'm going to the center, which floods the area. You see how it floods it? Then I'm going to the other side, and that's ultraviolet. Look. I can find blood this way. All right, so if you look, here I am. This is the ultraviolet. It's all pushed all the way to that side. Now I'm going to go the other way. Ready? That's the wide, and then this is more close and tight. Now if I turn this off, I can go in here and I can press the side and I can shoot the laser. There's the laser. Check it out. There's my laser. So you could have some fun with your cat with this if you have a cat. You don't want to get it in your eyes, so don't shoot it at a mirror. But anyway, then I let go, it turns off. It's kind of like a fail-safe. And that's it, man. Bam, done. And Bob is your uncle. All right.